Welcome to Explosive Studios. Today we have the Mega Blast RC monster truck and we will be doing a review on this. We aren't doing an unboxing video of this because, well, as you can see, it's already unboxed and it has been for a long time. So just a quick review and testing. We hope you enjoy. Make sounds. So as you can see, this is quite a fun toy. It has, well, a very detailed engine, obviously not real, and it has really like cool monster truck sounds. It's got big wheels and they're soft as well, they're not just hard. It hasn't got oil-filled shocks, but it's a toy grade, but it's still a really good car. As you can see. And it's actually quite fast as well. Like, the only problem is the steering. The steering's a bit weird, but as you can see, this is the controller. It's by New Bright. It's what scale is it? Is it 1/8? 1/8 scale. Really good. The range is about 10 meters, 10-15 meters. And well, as you can see, the battery's going here. We haven't charged it for like for ages, but yeah, it comes with 11.2 volt, 11.1 volt battery. It's quite good. Yeah. So that's the end of the testing and review. WL Toys there. We hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe for more videos.